Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can hide or remove the home screen in Photoshop. So let's get started. So whenever we open Photoshop, we get this home screen and we have different options on the home screen. Especially these recent file pop up whenever we open Photoshop. So let's say for some reason you don't want to show this home screen to the people who you are sharing your screen with, so or any other reason. So what if you want to hide this home screen? We can simply, but before that, let's say what it does. So I will open any image. So whenever I close any document and there is no document remaining, then we get this home screen again by default because it is automatically set. But what if I don't want that? So I will open any image once again and we simply do edit, preferences, general, and just deselect this option, auto show the home screen. So it will affect in a way that we won't get the home screen, but we can still access the home screen by clicking on this icon, home icon. We can still access the home screen, but by default it won't show. I will show once again. So even if I close this document, we won't get the home screen. Let's say still when you close the Photoshop and you still get the home screen, so just shut down your computer, not restart, shut down your computer, then you won't get this home screen. So just remember, you have to shut down your PC or Mac. Restart won't do the trick, you have to shut down the computer. So I will show you once again. If I turn that option on again, general, this auto show the home screen, then it will again show the home screen like this. If I close this document, then automatically it will get us to the home screen. So if you don't want this, then we simply have to turn that option off. And again, if you want to remove this recent file list, you can simply go to File, Open Recent, and click on the Clear Recent File List. So it will clear the entire recent file history. But again, if you open any image, let's say I will open some image. Let's say I will open this image, and if I close this image, then again we will get the recent file. But what if you don't want to store the recent file? So we can simply go to Edit, Preferences, and File Handling, and we can change the recent file list contents. So if we keep it to 0, then it won't save anything. So I'll press OK, then it will go from here, as you can see. Again I will open the same image like this. So even if you close this image, it won't be stored in the recent file history. So just like that, you can clear the recent file history and you can turn off the recent file history. But again, I need the recent file history, so I'll keep it to default value, which is 20. And again, if you don't want home screen, this screen itself, you can simply go to Preferences, General, and turn this option off. So it won't show you the home screen by default, but you can still access the home screen by clicking on this. I'll go to Photoshop and clicking on this home icon, you can still access the home screen. So this is how you can hide or remove the home screen. And just as I said earlier, if you are still seeing the home screen on whenever you restart Photoshop, you have to shut down your computer, only then it will take effect. So this is how you can turn off or hide the home screen. So if you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.